Okay, now that YouTube has uploaded it, and I see that because it finally went from after I loaded it up, and it says now live. Okay, so what I'm going to do then is click on it, and then that's going to basically show, and there it is, my YouTube video. Now, something you need to keep in mind, okay? Um, you may have set up your PowerPoint to be manually, advanced and from slide to slide, or even the transitions. Remember, like you might put that on click event that you might have something pop up or whatever. Now, if you're going to put it online, you need all those things to automatically happen. And so in PowerPoint, you need to adjust those to put them at on a timer. Okay, and you can do that just with the action settings and just setting each element that would want to pop open or to move. You need to set a timer for it so that as it goes, it's not going to just burn through it. And like this row right here is a good example. These two elements would have popped open independently, but because I did not give them an automatic setting where they would be on a timer, they're just going to show up automatically, which is okay in this case. But if you want things to show up, at different times, you need to put a timer on it. Anyway, so now that I've got this on here, it's very simple how to embed this into your blog. Now, I'm going to show you how to do it on EduBlogs, but it's even easier, honestly, on Blogger. Both of them are very easy to do. So what I'm going to look over here, you see where it says the URL, which is if I was going to email it to somebody, and then we have embedded, and there's this code. And all I need to do is click in there, and that's going to highlight it all. And then I'm just going to copy it. I'm just hitting Command or whatever it is you're using, Command or Control copy. So I've copied my my code, and so now I'm going to come in here to my EduBlogs, and I've logged in, and I'm going to go to my. I know that's a crazy photo. This my EduBlog site's just for silliness, honestly. All right, now, okay, so here I am at my dashboard, and I'm going to click on Write. All right, now I'm going to have a new post, and I'm just going to simply call this one Mona Lisa PowerPoint. And then down here, I'll just put watch the video here. Okay, Now, I want to embed this into my post. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, I'm going to click on the HTML button. And right here it says watch the video here, and simply all I'm going to do, I'm going to hit enter, and then I'm just going to paste all that information, and that's all the information that YouTube creates to embed that video. And you can see right here it says object, and the object is obviously the YouTube video, and then the width, height, etc. of what it's going to be like. So I can go ahead, I'm going to click on visual, and right there, look, you've got a movie player that just opened. It just embedded that video right into it. So what I'm going to do now is simply go over here to publish. And it shouldn't take very long. Sometimes I know EduBlog's server can not move at the speed of light. So give us a second here. I was having trouble actually with the EduBlog site this afternoon of it moving a bit too slow. Come on. Okay, now that I've got it on there, I went ahead and it loaded it, and now I hit just typed in my EduBlog's web address, and then there you have my new post within my blog, and there you see it. It's a YouTube embedded video, and it's just going to feed right off of the server there, and there it is. Pretty simple. So basically, whether you're using Blogger or if you're going to be using EduBlogs, it's the same process of saving it as a movie, loading it into YouTube, take that embedded code and just insert it into a post. It's really pretty simple. I mean, that's all I had to do. And the cool thing is, if I wanted to, I could actually resize this. And what's also cool is if I have a bunch of videos, it automatically makes it a link. And if I click on it, it's going to bring it right into YouTube. And it'll also then show any of the other videos that I've posted. So anyway, real quick tutorial there. So hopefully that helped you, and you're able to see how to then take your PowerPoint into YouTube via, your PowerPoint into your blog via YouTube. Now, SlideShare does work, and actually there's a little more function into it, but if you can't get that figured out, you just saw, hopefully, this is a pretty simple way to do it. So I hope it works for you guys.